I know that a lot of times energy companies are using aircraft for inspection purposes because the area is so vast that needs to be covered. So tell us a little bit about other than the fly in, fly out program, which I think we already covered. Tell us a little bit about why Suncor has an aviation program besides that, and what kinds of missions are the aviation team, is the aviation team involved in?
Absolutely. You will see some maps a little later on. Um, our area in northern Alberta covers over 1,800 square kilometers. We operate 6 different sites, 4 open pit mines, and 2 steam-assisted drilling sites, SAGD in situ. Um, and so we have a lot of area to cover. So we use manned aviation for surveys, aerial inspections, pipeline monitoring, a lot of helicopter work because we are so remote, a lot of environmental assessment, putting biologists out into the field. And we're seeing now a large transition into drones. We're seeing drones that are being able to replace cranes. We're seeing drones that we don't have to erect scaffolding for within the plant. We're seeing like instead of the traditional survey with your theodolite and sticks out in the field, now we're actually being able to remove crews and boots on the ground from what we consider high risk areas, and take people out of the line of fire and place them into and get them a job that is done quicker and more efficient now with drones. So
Well, and I
um,
know there's cost savings and all kinds of return on investment. We'll dive deeper into all of
oh,
those things in a
absolutely,
minute
yeah,
here, Kevin. But I want
yeah.
to.
And
Talk. Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry.
no, sorry. I just also wanted to say, I mean, like, 'cause our geography, and you'll see in the map, we are North American wide. In Canada, we are coast to coast. We have an offshore oil program in Newfoundland. We have marine terminals in Vancouver. We operate a refinery in Commerce City, Colorado, just outside of Denver. So, I mean, our aviation portfolio is very big. The team I'm a part of, Aviation, we look after the offshore helicopter program that takes the folks out to the rigs in Newfoundland, and sort of everything. If it flies, call us. That's sort of our tagline in Suncor Aviation.